Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First off, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed, everyone that's been commenting, liking the videos. There's been a lot of positive comments, also a few disagreeing with what I'm saying. It's just great to get the conversations going. A lot of the products like the earbuds and headphones, you can't always try before you buy, so it's good just to get everyone's opinion out there, and all the information just really helps anyone that might be considering buying these products. So thanks again, and let's get into today's video. Today I'm actually having a look at a website called MassDrop. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it or heard of it. MassDrop's a community-driven company or website where people pre-order products. You can get products made and just getting good deals, cheaper prices, utilizing buying these products in bulk. I've looked at this website a number of times. I really just wanted to give it a try. I actually joined a drop for MEE Audio IEMs. This one actually worked a little bit like a competition as well. So everyone pays the same price. It was around $20 US. And there was a number of different IEMs that you could actually get. These were just picked at random. 50% of the people got an IEM that was only $10. Some of the IEMs were around 20, some were 40, and they just kept going up. And depending how many people joined the drop, there was actually more expensive over-ears joined to the drop. The one I joined got over 1,200 votes. So I did unlock a couple of extra headphones. However, the parcel I got is only small, so I don't think I got one of the over-ears. So even after the drop was finished, you don't get told which you get, you just get sent a package. The parcel I actually got says MEE Audio M6 2008 version black, so I'm pretty sure that's what I've got. That was one of the main options. I think around 23-25% of people got these. $20 is what I paid for the drop, so I didn't lose out, but I didn't get one of the extra special ones. So let's get into it, unpack it, and see what I've got. So I did end up with the M6 MEE Audio earbuds. These came with a really nice case, a good selection of ear tips, and the cable with these is quite thick, which is normally a good thing. All the components seem pretty good quality. The earbuds themselves look a little bit plasticky or cheap, but they don't look like they're going to break or anything like that. I also like how they have the adjustable wire ear hook. It normally helps keep them on your ear a little bit better. However, these ones don't stay on really tight, and I think that's why they have this adjustable little clip here just to keep it in tight if you are exercising. If you were just commuting or just using them at home, you probably wouldn't need to use this, but like I said, they aren't that tight around the back of your ear. Also, I did check out the QR reader that it said that you must watch before you use. If you have used IEMs before they go over your ear, you don't really need to watch it. It's very basic, just how to wear them. It says to try all the different ear tips, and that's about it. These earbuds have a cooler sound signature. They are quite bright. They do have a bit of bass, but nothing huge. The soundstage was okay for a cheaper earbud. It is quite forward sounding, and these are just a $20 earbud. These earbuds aren't overly bad or anything like that, but I probably wouldn't recommend them off my first try today. I think there are better earbuds out there. If you are looking for a budget IEM for around that price as an artist or for exercise, I actually do recommend the KZ ZS3s. They're really bassy, have a really nice rich sound, and I think they're really good for around that price range. So if you were actually looking at these M6 earbuds, I hope this helped you out. I think I'll use MassDrop again in the future, but I'm not sure if I would do one of these competition ones again. It is a bit of fun, but you don't really know what you're going to get. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.